Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete old Facebook account without any password, email, phone number or username. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So deleting an old Facebook account without access to its details is challenging but not pretty much impossible. So there are some few ways that you can try it out, so let's learn it in this video. So first attempt you can do is try to recover the account using the forgot password option. If you have set up anything, or if you have set up any trusted contacts, use them. Or if this does not work, you need to simply go and tap on the support system of the Facebook app, and once you tap on Help Center, they can provide you some possible ways to do this. So if the recovery fails this way as well, simply report the account as an imposter. So if an account is impersonating someone, you can report it to the Facebook and they will help you delete it. Or you can also report the account as a deceased person's account, or simply tell them that the person who is using this Facebook is not available right now. So by doing these simple steps, you can probably delete all Facebook accounts without having password, email, phone number, or username. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.